Indonesia continues to face severe challenges after catastrophic flooding struck Aceh, North Sumatra and West Sumatra. In Aceh's Padi Regency, residents say the floodwaters rose with incredible force. One woman described it as, like tsunami. Nothing, it's the worst disaster her family has ever experienced. Rescue workers are navigating the region on foot and by motorcycle because many areas are still unreachable by larger vehicles. Photos from the ground show washed-out bridges, thick mud covering roads, entire trees swept into the streets. In West Sumatra near the town bridge's landmark, families continue to wait for news of loved ones who have not been found. One mother, Mariana, watched as crews cleared debris, hoping for missing son and other family members will be recovered. As Indonesia continues to